What are some parts of your life that you're managing really, really well that are making you happy? I always ask that in my resource management class, and we kind of self-analyze. So I thought I'd do it myself. These are a few things that are completely and totally under my control that are making me happy these days. Kim Townsel, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button, share the video if appropriate. I have really enjoyed traveling in the past. I had a year where I had a goal of getting out of my home state at least once a month, and I was able to do that. But these days, I'm just really content staying at home. I just don't want to go out right now or do a bunch of things outside my house. I'm really enjoying being a homebody and just getting things back into order, so to speak. Just having some peace and serenity and, I guess, solitude. It's what's making me happy, so I'm going to go with it. And like everything else in my life, things change, and I'll want to get back out and go and do stuff. Probably when the weather gets better, that's going to happen. But I just really don't like cold weather. I don't like rainy weather. And so when it's like that, I just don't really want to get out in it. Today's the first day of daylight saving, and it's so dark and gloomy outside, I don't even know that we're going to be able to appreciate that extra hour of sunlight that we're getting today. But be good tomorrow, right? When the bathrooms are clean, the floors are shiny, that makes me happy. When all the ironing is done, when my home desk is clean and inviting, when my internet works, thank you Comcast, Xfinity, when my bottle collection is all clean and dusted, these bottles make me happy. They're from great trips, my family, great times with my friends, and just some silly memories, and also bottles that I've dug up on our family property. Folding my clothes while watching Investigation Discoveries on my old TV. Fixing my hair now that the weirdness is finally growing out. It's a lot more fun because I like the way that it looks better. It looked really bad most of last year. Having all of my clothes ready for the next 2 weeks. Actually, I'm on spring break after next week, so probably for 3 weeks for work. This makes me happy. Having all of the laundry done, that makes me happy. And even the dryer's empty, that makes me happy. Don't you hate opening it up and finding out that you forgot about a whole load of clothes in there? Is it just me? Lest you think I have it all together, I still have a whole room of shame. But you know how I'm dealing with that? I'm just closing the door. That works. Sitting down in my favorite chair to read with a really good cup of coffee. Black Rifle coffee, AK-47, and a Starbucks mug. Hey, I'm a Libra. When I have my weekly planner all set up with the times I need to get up, get ready, and leave the house, because it's different every day, what time I need to go to bed, and when the upcoming week actually looks doable. And look, I have a whole day open for Saturday. What will I do for Saturday? Sunday I have an event. My mom's taking all the female relatives to see The Lion King, and I've seen it before in Vegas and it was awesome, so I'm really looking forward to that. This week looks fabulous, and I deserve it because the last 3 weeks have been gloriously busy, but super busy, so I'm very happy about next week. I'm being faithful to my
my initial goal, and I'm going to do this project to the best of my abilities, do what I always do, and do what I can with the resources I have. And be happy about it.
Thanks for watching my video about things that are completely under my control that I can manage these days that are really making me happy. Leave me a comment. Tell me what's making you happy in your life. How are you managing your life? What are the small things in your life that are bringing you pleasure right now? Because sometimes when we accumulate those small things, they really do add up. And they help us to deal with the bigger things when those bigger things come along. Until next time, just start taking those pieces of your life that you can manage well, do them and enjoy them instead of being aggravated about them. It is your life, and these are the pieces that we put together, so we might as well enjoy it. Be happy with it, right? Bye.